Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some stunning mirror designs. In this video, we will explore the enchanting world of mirror designs for your home decor. Discover how mirrors can effortlessly transform your living spaces into elegant and visual captivating environments. From chic wall mirror to unique mirror essence, we will provide you with the creative ideas and expert tips to incorporate mirrors into your home decor. Whether you prefer modern minimalism or classic sophistication, this video will inspire you to reflect your personal style through the artful use of mirrors in your living spaces. Don't miss out on these simple yet effective ways to add a touch of glamour and spaciousness to your lovely home. So friends, I hope you like this beautiful collection of mirrors. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye bye.